Previously, on Sailing on a Whim, we joined some friends and took our dinghy out to dive on the barrier reef of the Abacos and learn how to prepare Bahamian conch with Bert while Lily was on watch to keep us safe from the island's lizards. Dan attempted to make pizza for the first time, and although we had a lot of fun in our efforts, the pizza didn't turn out so well. Good morning. It's bright and early on a Sunday morning, and we are actually up earlier than we have been in months because we are going to go fishing. So hopefully we can catch some tuna because that would be amazing. We're not bringing a lot of food with us, so it might be sushi for lunch. But yeah, it should be a really good day. We soon headed over to our friend's sailboat to have a little breakfast and prepare for our offshore fishing adventure. First things first, though, we had to deal with all those dinghies. With all of our crew ready, we headed out to the Atlantic Ocean with hopes of catching at least enough fish for dinner. We never had been deep sea fishing, so we were lucky to have both experienced sailors and fishermen on board.
Can't wait to get some big fish!
As soon as we had navigated the narrow cut to the Atlantic Ocean, the race was on to finish setting up and prepare the bait to catch some fish.
Everything untangled.
Hey, Karen, just head this, just head it this head, right here.
Woohoo!
Blackfish, baby!
Pretty thing!
Blackfish, woo! Yeah, we want a blue, we want a fillet.
Look at that, baby. First deep sea fish!
It was amazing luck that the first fish we caught was a blackfin tuna. It was the one fish we were really hoping to catch. We only had a few minutes for a quick break for some snacks and water before the next fish was on the line.
Back control. You want to catch a big marlin? Yeah, let's just pull it in. Aren't you just talking about hamburger?
I think he's a... That's a big fish.
We're not gonna keep them.
Alright.
Let him go. Guys, grab him under the gills, quick.
There we go. Look at that thing.
Oh, he's big.
Bring it up.
Got loose.
No, we got nothing.
Soon our fishing adventure was coming to a close, so the captain hoisted the tuna flag for our sail back into the harbor. It may not have been a huge haul, but we were happy and we definitely had enough food for dinner.
Oh, what a good day. And to top it off, our Dutchman captain is about to, Captain Kieran's about to launch her flag. Happy birthday, man.
Cream cheese.
It was the perfect ending to a perfect day. We celebrated a birthday while enjoying fresh tuna rolls that we made by hand with fish we had caught ourselves. It doesn't get better than that. On the next episode of Sailing on a Whim, we head south through the Abacos to do some sightseeing and check out the other side of island life on the way. It may be better in the Bahamas, but as they say, it's gooder in Guana, especially on a Sunday. If you enjoyed our video, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or Patreon. Thanks for watching.
What's the depth?
What's the depth? Step one of fishing.
And you're making sushi wearing a shirt that says I'm for tacos.
I know.
Give me the chest. Oh, that shot of rum and look what happened.
Wow!
He's a tough sucker.